In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a quiz to a form in Microsoft Forms. This process is simple, but it requires a few specific steps to ensure everything works smoothly. Microsoft Forms doesn't provide a direct button for converting quizzes to forms. Instead, we will use a workaround involving the Quick Import feature. This allows you to recreate your quiz as a form without needing to retype anything. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any web browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Just type Microsoft Forms into the search bar and hit enter. Your search results will show various links related to Microsoft Forms. It's essential to find the official Microsoft Forms page, as this will ensure you're using the legitimate service. This step is crucial because accessing the correct platform avoids potential issues later on. Once you find the correct link, click on it. If prompted, log in with your Microsoft account. This could be your personal Microsoft account or a work account. Enter your email and password to gain access. After logging in, you will be directed to the Microsoft Forms home screen. This is where all your forms and quizzes are stored. Logging in is important because it secures your data and ensures that you can access all your previous work. Next, open your current quiz in Microsoft Forms. Locate the quiz you wish to change on your dashboard. Click on it to bring it up for review. You will see all the questions and options you have created. Viewing your quiz is essential because you want to ensure that you are converting the correct document into a form. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the content, as this will help during the conversion process. Now press Ctrl+P if you are using Windows or Command+P if you are on a Mac. This action opens the print menu. You will see several options for printing, but we won't be printing it physically. Instead, we'll use this menu to create a digital copy of your quiz. This step is vital because it helps us save your current quiz in a format that can be imported later. Instead of printing to a physical printer, select Save as PDF and download the file to your computer. This option allows you to store a digital version of your quiz. Make sure to remember where you save it, as you will need to find this file shortly. Saving your quiz as a PDF is a key step in our workaround. It ensures that all your questions and answers are preserved in a format that Microsoft Forms can read. Next, go back to the main Microsoft Forms home screen. You can do this by clicking on the Microsoft Forms logo or navigating back using your browser's back button. Once you are back on the home screen, you will be ready to start the import process. Returning to the main screen allows you to access the Quick Import feature, which is the next step in our process. Now, click the Quick Import button near the top right of the dashboard. This button is easy to spot and is designed to facilitate the import of content. Clicking it will lead you to the next step, where you can upload the PDF you just saved. This feature is incredibly handy because it saves you time by automatically converting your PDF quiz into a form. After that, click Upload from this device and select the PDF copy of your quiz. Your File Explorer will open, allowing you to navigate to where you saved the PDF. This step is crucial because the Quick Import function needs the correct file to work its magic. Once you select the PDF, you will be one step closer to having your quiz converted into a form. When the system asks you to choose a destination format, select Form and do not select Quiz. This distinction is important because we are converting the quiz into a form format. Choosing the correct option ensures that the content is processed properly. Microsoft Forms will then begin converting your quiz into a form, which saves you a lot of time. Finally, click Start Review to double-check formatting and ensure all text matches perfectly. This review step is essential. It allows you to confirm that all questions are transferred accurately and that nothing is missing. You want to ensure that your new form is ready for use. This final check gives you peace of mind that your hard work has paid off and everything is in order.